Sculpture as the carrier of human culture, the 3D modeling project will run a long way. As we all know, sculpture geometrical features are not friendly with laser technology, and the desktop white light limit the scan size. So the handheld white light 3D scanner is doomed to be the only choice. However, it's always hard with the sculpture in the fine details. There are seldom scanner could meet the required, especially we are in limited budget. Thunk3D Archer as a low-cost 3D scanner is a powerful tool tailored for sculpture modeling with 0.12 resolution and 0.04 mm frame accuracy, and the 15 frame per second scanning speed. May be said conquer the whole carving industry. No matter the exquisite, cylinder, hollow out, flat carving, supersized, all could easily get. Archer is based on photo shooting theory, on which was applied to handheld device. There are no more than 5 brands all over the world. The advantages are fast collecting and high precision, together with a full-color texture. Thunk3D surely has the mature system on this technology. Archer supports 3 alignments: feature align, marked align, and a mix align. Could scan every types of shape and size. Besides, Archer could mobile scan the minimum size as 5 cm. It owes to the Archer's 2 projecting lighting area. Smaller light could get better resolution, while the larger light could make more fluidly collecting when the 2 laser points overlap. It's the perfect working distance. Of course, despite the sculpture, Archer is also widely applied on human body, industry, medical etc. industry. Discover more possibility of 3D scan. Archer, made for more efficient modeling.